to Hola Marjan's YouTube channel. Today we will learn basic use of shape builder tool, some Earths and Google logo by shape builder tool. Stay tuned, let's start. Now go to the rectangle toolbar and here we will select circle tool and let's draw a circle, a big circle. Hold on Alt and then drag your circle. First release the mouse, then release Alt. Now by pressing Shift you can size it. I make it small and let's increase the stroke to one pitch. Okay, now overlay your smallest circle to the biggest circle and then select both circle. Now you need to go shape builder tool, drag the tool between the circle to merge it together. Yeah, now I will give it a color to look good. Now it's time to go to another part. It's leaf. Let's create a green beautiful leaf. First take one big circle, then hold on Alt and drag it to duplicate the circle. Now select both the circle. Now go to the shape builder tool and select the middle part of the circle and go to the selection tool to drag the leaf. Now delete the extensions. Yeah, it's a beautiful green leaf. Now we will create a moon. Let's see. First take a big circle. Hold on Alt and drag it to duplicate the circle and overlay the circle in a moon shape. Now select both the circle and drag the shape builder tool. Now go to selection tool and yeah, it's a moon. So simple, right? But moon is in the wrong color, so we need to change the color. Let's go to the color panel and change the color to white. It's a beautiful moon. Shiny glitter. Okay, let's create a big circle. Hold on Alt and duplicate the circle and select the both circle and again hold on Alt and duplicate the both circle. Now select the four circles together and go to the shape builder tool and select the middle of the four circles. Let's remove circles by one. We also can delete it. Delete and it's a glitter. Ta-da! A shiny glitter. Already we know the basic use of shape builder tool. Now it's time to create sample art of cloud. Create a line, a horizontal line. Take a circle and set it so nicely that it mixes with the line. Yep. Now hold on Alt and drag the circle to duplicate it. Place the circle so perfectly that it mixes with the horizontal line. And now do the same thing, duplicate the circle. And place the circle in a way so that it comes a shape of a cloud. Now attach the circle with the other circle. Yep. Now select the whole circles and lines. Get the shape builder toolbar and drag. Yay! It's a cloud. Now let's color it to look more visible and beautiful. Go to color panel and give it a gradient color. Yeah, a beautiful cloud. Is it a rainy day in your country? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's move forward to the next art. It's a flower. Take a circle, hold on Alt and drag it to duplicate the circle, and select both the circle. Again hold on Alt and duplicate both the circle. Now select the 4 circles together and go to the shape builder tool. Now drag the shape builder tool. Yay! We got a flower shaped something. Now give it a color. Red. Red is always beautiful. Now let's go to the rectangle toolbar and create a rectangle shape to make the stem. Now go to the color panel and give it a wood color. It's time to give some leaf to complete the flower look. We already know how to create a leaf, so do it by your own. Add with the stem. Now to create more accurate flower, we will give a spot into the flower. Now select the flower, only the flower part, and go to the shape builder tool and select alter and give a spot here. There you go. A beautiful red flower. Now is the main part. We will make a logo with the shape builder tool. Let's create a circle. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F and then hold on Alt. Drag into the circle, you will find a new circle. Now shape it perfectly. Then go to the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Duplicate the same rectangle. It's look weird, but it will make a shape. Just wait. And then select the whole thing together. Go to the shape builder tool. Now press Alter and select the portions you don't want. Yay, it's a G. Now go to the pencil tool and click the right button. You will find a knife tool. Select the knife tool and cut the G into 4 portions because Google has 4 colors in their logo. So cut the G into 4 portions. Now select the separate portion and give the color. Green, blue, this portion will be green. Go to the stroke and decrease the stroke into 0. Done. Google logo. Isn't it easy? What you are looking for, it's finished now. Let me know in the comment section, did I succeed to teach you something? And if you think I am worthy of subscription, then please. Thanks for watching.